Alright, today we got our Racent out. I'm going to see if I can do something to get the body off first. There we go. Want to improve the steering. I do not like the way they have this servo. It's a strange shaped servo. Same measurements, everything as the SCX24. It measures off of it. So I just ordered a kit with a new stand, a new mount, a new servo, and all the sorted screws and stuff to replace this one with. I'm not sure if the steering arm is still working out. I may have to modify a new one, 3D print it. It's not a problem. So I'll get all the stuff out. We'll look at it, and then I'll see about switching out the servo. Okay, if you hear that buzz in the background, it's just my 3D printer going. We got a new EMAX servo. I think it's cute. They sent it in the bag, flat packed. So they flattened out the box, but I put that together for some reason. New servo. The new bed stand for it. Sorted screws were required to mount this to the axle. And of course the horns and everything. And of course our Enduro stickers. I'll put a link to where I bought this from. Bought on eBay. Here's the information. I think it was like 12 bucks for all of it. Figure I'd give it a shot, see how it works, and go from there. So I'll get this thrown in, and I'll come back if you have any problems. If not, I'll see you at the end. So I place the servo, the holder for the servo, the servo horn, the arm for the servo, the pitman arm I think it's called, steering arm. And also place the screws. Bought a screw kit. It has all the good screws instead of the Phillips head screws. So I just pulled out some out of the pumpkin, placed them out, switched them out. Also greased the pumpkin while I had it open. I'll probably end up doing the same to the back. I'm thinking about actually changing motors on it too. I have a Hobby Fans motor. I don't know much about it. I picked it up a while back on sale somewhere. It was like $5. AliExpress or something. I can't remember where I got it from. But I may switch it out into this one. I gotta check the teeth. See if it'll fit. See if it's the right one. If anybody knows, feel free to let me know. I need to test now to test the steering out. I've run it around here. Drives pretty good, but I need to get back out in the garage. Get it back on the track. We'll take that one in the deadbolt out there and kind of do a side by side, testing the steering, see how it works. Steering is a lot faster now. I think it's stronger. We'll get on the track and find out. Okay, our plan here is I've got a line marked on my particle board here. I'm gonna line with the back of the tires pretty much even with the edge of the particle board. Both in line with this thing, the line. And take a hard left and just see how it turns. You have both vehicles. See where we end at. See if we help the steering. I wish I'd done this before I actually changed everything, but did not think about it. Let's see what we got with the first one. It's the Racent with the upgraded steering box and everything. Steering servo, excuse me. Okay. Set the SCX Deadbolt, SCX24 Deadbolt. Hard left. Go. That definitely turns better than the other one. So you're going to set them up just the opposite, take a hard right. See if it could be something. See if that makes any difference. out of the way. Shift that particle board over so I get more here. I lined up. With the SCX first this time. Hard right. Wow, that's pretty impressive. Okay. All right. Pretty much the exact same. So back to the drawing board to figure out why the SCX24 Deadbolt steering is so much better than the Racent knockoff when the parts look exactly the same. I've actually already replaced the front steering axles. When I very first got it, I thought the axle itself was the problem. Replaced it with the set that was made for this one. Made no difference. I just really can't figure out why. That's something in the linkage itself. Turn it off. The lights off on this one. It doesn't blind us. That's something in the steering itself. This could be the difference. So I think I might go ahead and order a new set of front steering linkages in connection and see if that does anything. This actually has a shorter arm than what I'm using. I'm using a longer arm there, so I would think that would make. Oh. I may raise this one up one and try it again. Let's go back and do that. Let's readjust our steering linkage and we'll come back and try it again.